In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Telegram link to your TikTok bio. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Telegram app and then right here tap on Settings. Next, hit Add Edit, then tap there where it says Username, and right here you can find your profile link. You can just tap on that and then hit copy link to copy that link to your clipboard. Now you can hop out Telegram and open up TikTok app. Then here tap add profile icon. There tap add edit profile, and now right here you can find the website field. You can just tap here, then you can delete existing link if you got some, and then just double tap here and hit paste to add that link here, and then tap on save to save the changes. This website option is only available if you got 1000 followers or more at your TikTok profile, and if you got less than 1000 followers, you can add your Telegram link just to your bio. You can tap there where it says bio, and then right here you can double tap, then hit on paste and tap on save to add Telegram link to your TikTok bio. Now you can go back for a step and check that here you can find 2 links to your Telegram profile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.